is inclusive and creates inclusivity. We are committed to ensuring that no one, not a single person, is left behind in our march towards Kenya's digital future. Our decision to digitize all government services is informed by the need to make them easily accessible at minimum or no cost to all Kenyans who have a cell phone. This is also why we are also rolling out 100,000 kilometers of last-mile fiber optic connectivity, establishing digital hubs in every ward, and providing free Wi-Fi at every center throughout Kenya. And we are looking at 25,000 centers around the country to provide free Wi-Fi. It is also why we are promoting the local assembly of smartphone, which with collaboration and strategic partnerships powered by transformative facilities like AWS Development Center, will be powered by locally developed, responsive, efficient, and effective applications and other software. The case for a green industrial revolution powered by African potential is much stronger today because of the promise of digital transformation and the opportunities that come with it. As the gateway to the continent and the home of Silicon Savannah, Kenya stands in a position of digital leadership, firmly anchored on the infrastructure provided for such visionary companies, including Amazon. Today, with the launch of the Development Center, we take yet another major step into a future that is rapidly and positively transforming every day. It is time to be part of that transformation. And I'm very proud of the engineers that I met earlier and that are in this room. You guys are great. And you are an inspiration to many more Kenyans out there, many more young Kenyans in college, in our TVETs, and in our schools who are looking forward to what technology can do, what the digital space can offer. It is the reason why we are banking heavily on the footprint of technology across the country, the digital hubs that we want in every ward, so that we can, just like you, as you develop solutions, we can use those solutions to create jobs for many more young people to work. And we are focusing on the digital infrastructure that we are rolling out in our shopping centers, in our ICT infrastructure that we are putting in our wards, to make sure that young people across Kenya have access to infrastructure that will give them digital jobs, so that we can continue to deploy the best human capital, the best human labor to serve not just our country, not just our continent, but the globe at large. Ladies and gentlemen, the Amazon Web Services Development Center, I declare, is now officially open. Thank you very much. And congratulations, Amazon. Pongezi. Thank you very much. Asante.